dear friends of class 8. Today I am going to explain first lesson, first page, English गुलमोहर book. Your first lesson is The Boy Who Broke the Bank. वह लड़का जिसने बैंक को तोड़ दिया. It was written by Sir Ruskin Bond. In this lesson, first character is Nathu. He was the sweeper boy. Nathu was a sweeper boy. He grumbled to himself as he swept the step of a small local bank owned by Seth Govindram. He was working in a bank. The owner of the bank was Seth Govindram. So that time Nathu grumbled to himself. अपने आप पे गुस्सा रहा है and he swept the step of a small local bank. जब बैंक में झाड़ू लगा रहा है तो अपने आप पे गुस्सा हो रहा है. Who was Seth Govindram? Seth Govindram, a man of wealth whose haphazard business dealing had often brought him to the verge of ruin. Seth Govindram was a very rich person, but he was haphazard business. वह बिजनेस को बहुत सही तरीके से नहीं चला कर सकते हैं, केयरलेसली चलाते हैं. Had often brought him to the verge of ruin, और that's why वो हमेशा बर्बादी के कगार पे रहते हैं. उनका बैंक हमेशा प्रॉफिट नहीं पाता. Nathu used the small broom hurriedly and carelessly because Nathu did not find his salary for last 2 months. That's why he was brooming the bank hurriedly and carelessly. He was sweeping very carelessly, बेहद लापरवाही से क्लीन करता है और बहुत तेज़ी से. The dust after rising in a cloud above his head, and the dust of the bank was rising up to his head. उसके हेड तक आ रहा है धूल. Settled down again on the step, and he again and again tried to settle down the dust on the steps. As he banged his pan loudly against a dustbin, जब उसने उठाया धूल को डस्टबिन में डालने को, सीताराम द washerman's sons passed by. Next time, just Sitaram, who was a washerman, he passed by नाथू. तभी सीताराम जो धोबी था वह साइड से गुजरा. सीताराम was on his delivery round. Sitaram was a washerman and he delivered clothes to the bank. He had a bundle of freshly pressed cloths balanced on his head. He took pressed cloths on his head. He said to Nathu, "Don't raise such dust." He said to Nathu that he should not raise the dust like this. उसको धूल इस तरह से नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए. He called out to Nathu. He said to Nathu, "Are you annoyed because they are still refusing to pay you another 5 rupees a month?" The washerman Sitaram said to Nathu, "Are you annoyed? Why are you angry? Are you angry? तुम इसलिए गुस्से में हो because they are still refusing to pay you another 5 rupees a month, क्योंकि तुम्हारा 5 रुपया पर मंथ इंक्रीज नहीं हुआ सैलरी." Then complained the sweeper boy. Sweeper boy complained that I don't want to talk about it. इस पर sweeper boy नाथू कंप्लेंट उससे शिकायत किया कि he did not want to talk about that matter, कि वो इस बारे में बात नहीं करना चाहता. I haven't even received my regular pay, and he told the washerman about that reason. He did not angry, was not angry for his not to increase the salary, but he was angry because he had not even received his regular pay, क्योंकि उसको 2 महीने से सैलरी ही नहीं मिली है. Soon 2 months pay will be due, कि 2 महीने से उसकी सैलरी ड्यू है, बाकी है. Who would think this was a bank? And he said again, Nathu said again, कि who will say that this is bank? कौन ये सोचेगा कि ये बैंक है जहाँ कर्मचारियों को कोई सैलरी नहीं मिलती. Holding up a poor man's salary, he said that his salary is also very less, and after that he did not find 2 months salary. As soon as I get my money, he said. Nathu said that when he got the money, when he got the salary, I am off. It means when he got the salary, he will leave the bank. Not another week will I work in this place. And he said that since next week he will not do work in that bank. And Nathu banged the pan against the dustbin several times. और तब वो बार बार पैन से धूल को डस्टबिन में डालता है. So in next video I will explain next topic of this page. Thank you.